Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I am so excited to share with you this absolutely amazingly delicious chocolate cheesecake recipe that you guys are going to make. It is so easy and so simple. Alright, if you guys are here for the first time, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button, like, share, and a comment. Let's jump right into this video. So these are the list of our ingredients. All right, and they will be in the description box with the measurements. We are going to remove the center of the Oreos and set that aside. Pulse the cookie until it looks like this. You're going to melt some butter, pour that in, and mix it together. So what I've already butter my pan, and I'm going to pour the Oreo mixture right in my pan, and I'm using like a measuring cup. You can use anything with the smooth bottom to compress the cookie crumb together and bake that for about 15 minutes. Now the center of the cookie, we're going to place that in a clean bowl. All right, and we're going to lighten this up. You're going to just like mix it up like this, add nothing to it yet. So when it's nice and light, you are going to add your cream cheese. So doing it this way, your cheesecake is not going to be overly sweet, and you're going to use less sugar, which I absolutely love. This had the perfect amount of sweetness, and I'm sure you guys are going to definitely love it. Right, you're going to whisk the cream cheese and the Oreo filling together until it's nice and smooth. You're going to warm some coffee, pour that over your chocolate and set that aside. Right, you're going to add a little bit of sugar, and not to worry, the amount I use will be in the description box. This looks amazing. Then I am going to whisk that chocolate up until it is nice and smooth and pour that in the cream cheese mixture. Give it an extra rich color, make it even more chocolatey. Then you're going to add your eggs one at a time. Some good vanilla extract. Now there I have my flour and cocoa powder, and that's the dark cocoa powder. I mix that together. I'm going to sift that in a little bit at a time. So we are going to place the mixture in the pan. Now if you really want a really nice cheesecake without it being cracked all over, you're going to add some water in the pan below. You're going to add some hot water and bake for 55 to 60 minutes. And you're going to test, and if it comes out clean with a toothpick, it's good. So now we are going to make our ganache. I'm adding some half and half to my chocolate, and it's nice and glossy. Pour that right over my chocolate cheesecake. Spread that out and let it sit. So here I'm going to add some heavy cream and of course some cocoa powder and some good vanilla extract and some powdered sugar. We are going to whisk this together, and here we are making our own chocolate whipped cream. Amazing. And we are going to put that right over our chocolate cheesecake. You can put whatever design you want to put on your cake or not. And there it is. Yes guys, that big chunk piece right there, that was all mine. This was so delicious. I can't wait for you guys to try this recipe. All right, Again, if you guys are here for the first time and have not yet subscribed, I hope you subscribe, like this video, share, and comment. I love you guys, and I see you all in the next video. Bye bye.